All right, I wanted to make a quick video to go over a couple problems from today's assignment or from the Unit 2 assignment number 4, and I want to show you all on Desmos.com how to use a graphing calculator to help you with these functions, okay? All right, so are you actually looking at the quiz, okay? Or I'm sorry, Unit 2 assignment number 4. I could show you number 1. I want to go down, though, actually to number 7. I'm going to start with that one. This is a tough one, but basically you're given a function. Let me try to highlight it. It says f of x equals 2x squared plus 12x, or I'm sorry, plus 2x plus 12. Then it asks you to find f of negative 2. That basically just means we're plugging in negative 2 here where you see x, all right? And disregard these answers. It's just seeing me, it's picking my click. But anyways, I want to show you on Desmos just to enter the function exactly as you see it and then ask it what is f of negative 2. So let's go over here and I'm going to put in the function in the Desmos. So f of x equals, and then I believe it was 2x squared plus, let me double check, plus 2x plus 12. So plus 2x plus 12. Wait, that's supposed to be plus 12. Plus 12. All right, hit enter. Now it's graphed it for you, okay? You can see it here in green that it's graphed for you, okay? Then the question says, what is the value of f of negative 2? Well, what that means is, over here on the x-axis at negative 2, if we go all the way up, what number do we run into? Okay, we could highlight it and try to find it. Okay, you could just simply ask it. You could say f of negative 2 in parentheses, and look, it gives you the answer right here is 16. That is saying in this function up here, when you put in negative 2 for x, you get an output or an outcome of 16. So it is done it for you. So anytime you get a function and you're asked to find that, you can do it that way, okay? Now there's another one I want to show you. In order to do so, I need to erase those. So let's go over here to the quiz and let's go down to let's go back up to, all right, number 3 is a really tough one, okay? This says, given the function f of x equals 1/4 times 2x squared plus x, and knowing that the domain is all real numbers greater than or equal to negative 2 and less than or equal to 4, what is the range? Okay, so we have this domain as an inequality. We're going to find a range as the inequality. And what I mean is this negative 2, we'll plug it in just like we did on our previous problem, and we're going to get the outcome. We're going to do that with the 4 as well, plug it in and get the outcome, and then we'll use those two outcomes in our inequality for the range because the outcomes are the y's, and that's the range, okay? So if that sounds confusing, let me come over here and show you. Again, let's enter it. F of x, just enter it exactly as we saw it. I believe it is 1/4. I'm going to arrow over, and then parentheses, 2x squared, arrow over, plus x, okay? Let me make sure that's what it says. 1/4 times 2x squared plus x. Yes, I have it entered, okay? And then it's graphed for us over here. So let's ask it, based on the domain, the least value or the number farthest to the left was f of, I believe it was negative 2. All right, and it tells us right here that it's 1.5, okay? Or that could be written as a fraction, 3/2. Let's also ask it f of, I believe it was 4 for the domain, and it is 9. So these are the numbers that you're going to use in your range. All right, those two problems, definitely that should be helpful for you, not only on this assignment, but moving forward with the test as well.